welcome back to my channel. So today we are discussing about the LeetCode question number 1108, defanging an IP address. So basically this is easy question in this LeetCode. So we will start with the problem understanding. So what is the problem here? The problem is given a valid IPv4 address. So we have given an IP address. So we want to replace every dot, replace all dot with bracket dot, and the returned defined version. Means we have given these. We want to replace the dot with this into the bracket, and we want to return this output here. So this is a simple string manipulation problem. So what will be the approach for solving this question? So we will iterate through each character of the input string, and if it's a dot, then append into bracket dot. Otherwise append the character as is. Using the string reserve, we will allocate the space. We will allocate the space to the string. So what will be the algorithm for this? So basically understand that we will create an empty result string and reserve capacity. Then we will apply loop through each character in input. If character is dot, then append it into bracket, else append the character directly and the return result. So we'll start with we will initialize a string here. String, we will give name result. Now to this result we will allocate the space for resultant string. So what will be the allocate space for this? So result dot result, into that we will reserve address dot size +6. Why we added here 6? So let us see that for this number we can see here are the how many character? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here are the 7 character in the input string. So we can see, and now we can see the output string. How many characters are there? There are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 characters. It's an output. There are 13 characters. Why here the 13 characters? The IP address has exactly 3 dots in it. So when we replace the dot with the braces dot, so here we added 2 more character here. So for one dot we added two character. So for three dot it will be 3 into 2 means it will be 6. So for every dot there will be increasing 2 more character in the string. So we have plus 6 here. Hope you understand this. So now move to the loop. We will iterate loop character C in address. So what will be see here if condition C equal to what the dot, then result plus equal to what will be result equal to into, so this will be replaced it, else the result will be plus equal to as it is the character. So this is basic. Now we will return result, the resultant string. So let us run this. We can see here the compilation error. So what is the error here? So now we'll run it. Yes. What was the problem here? So we have written the curly brackets in these two curly braces, but we want the uncurly braces here. So hope you understand this question. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.